I'm Parry, and this video is going to show you how to add an image of your signature into Adobe Acrobat Reader to be used as an electronic signature. Before you take this step, you need to have taken a photograph of your signature on a white background and saved the image to your desktop. So this is an empty PDF document, but you can also do it in any other PDF document. Click Fill and Sign, click on Sign, then Add Signature. And then these three options come up. So you either type, draw, or insert an image. In this instance, we need to insert an image of my signature. So you browse from your desktop to find the image that you took earlier, and then insert this in the document. You have the option of saving the signature to be used in the future, or just using it as a one-off, and then you click Apply. And then you place the signature in the appropriate part of the document and click away from it and then save the document. So we're now going to use that signature image in the next fit note. So I'm orientating the sick note here, and then you click Fill and Sign, Sign, and here's the image that we uploaded earlier. So you place that in the appropriate text box, click away from it, and save the document. Thank you for watching.